She knows she's being taken.
You know you're being filmed, don't you?
Bite the camera. Hey, what are... Olivia, what are you doing?
Can you be cute again?
She's like, now. The Puppenberg's uncertainty principle.
Make good choices.
Hey, Olivia.
What is that? Is that a sock?
Where'd it go?
You love socks. Where are they?
I'm not looking.
Oh man, that was a good jump, little girl. What a good jump that was. Yeah.
See,
You're really cute.
she knows it.
Yeah.
Look away.
Diva.